What is up, YouTube? HobbyKid22 back at you guys with another video. So far, that's what I got in the tin, or not the tin, the tub. Sorry guys, just waking up. I'm gonna show you what I got going for my part this year, which is all of this stuff that you will see. I had 2 more of those boxes up there. Had some fun already, just like I had 2 more of those candles, and those candles are something else. They're nice. I already had some fun with the rockets. Back there's another box behind. Lit a whole box of those off. Lit one of those rockets off already. Nothing too crazy this year. Just trying to have a little fun. Decided to go with all cakes this year. Not really any preloadables. That stuff's family members of mine. Got some more zombie shells and American shells underneath. Got a whole box of mixed shells right here. Black Cat are in there, and Neon Nightmares are in there. Power Magnums are in there. Americans in there. Hope everyone has a great 4th. Stay safe and enjoy your night coming up. I mean, most of us are out there blowing shit off early anyways, so just be safe with it. Please like, comment, and subscribe.